Hi friends, I'm Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare one vegetarian dish which is, we call it palong shager jhol. Means this recipe I'll cook with fresh spinach, palak spinach with other vegetables. So for that I have to go to my kitchen garden to collect some fresh spinach, then I'll prepare the recipe. This is the fresh spinach which I grew in the bag. I grew it from the seeds. Today I am going to use this spinach for the recipe. For this recipe, I am going to use yellow split peas dal, which I soaked it for 6 to 8 hours. Now I'll prepare the paste. I'll use this soaked dal, half teaspoon of salt and 2 green chilies. The paste is ready now. Now I'll add half teaspoon of kalonji or nigella seeds to this mixture. I will make bada, means like a fritters, from this paste. Make a small shape and fry this bada in the oil. Fry it in medium to high heat. Once one side is fried enough, turn it and fry the other side as well. In another pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, half teaspoon of nigella seeds and 3 green chilies for tempering. Fry it for 1 to 2 minutes in medium heat. Once it starts leaving the aroma, I'll add the vegetable. Here I am using potato, brinjal and hyacinth beans, which we call shim. But first I'll add potato as it takes more cooking time. Here I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We'll mix it and cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes in medium to low heat. Here my fried fritters or daler bora is ready. After 4 minutes, take the lid off, mix it. Now I'll add other vegetables, brinjal and shim, the hyacinth beans. We'll mix all the vegetables together, then again we'll cover and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, take the lid off and mix everything together. Here I washed and chopped those garden collected spinach, which I am going to add now. Now with the spinach and vegetables, all will mix it together. Again I'll cover and cook it for another 5 to 6 minutes in medium heat. After 6 minutes, take the lid off and check whether vegetables are cooked properly or not. If not, then we can cover and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Here I saved 1 tablespoon of mixture, the paste, where I'll add 1 cup of water and mix with this paste, which I'm going to pour into the spinach. This mixture will make the gravy bit thicker. Now I'll add 1 teaspoon of sugar, I will add daler bora or that fritters which I made. I'll add it to the spinach. Mix everything together, give it a good mix. Now bring it to boil for 2 to 3 minutes without covering. Palong shager jhol is totally ready. So my palong shager jhol is ready. It's very easy, very simple recipe, and generally we eat this palong shager jhol with plain white rice. So hope you like the recipe. That's all from me today. So if you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So see you all later in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.